Welcome to the present perfect continuous tense. This is a fundamental grammar concept in English that helps us talk about actions that started in the past and are still happening right now. Understanding this tense will help you describe ongoing situations and activities in a more natural and accurate way. The present perfect continuous is formed using three main parts: have or has, followed by been, followed by the ing form of the verb. For positive statements, we say have or has been plus the verb with ing. For negative statements, we add not after have or has. For questions, we put have or has at the beginning of the sentence. Let me show you the pattern: have been working, have not been working, or have you been working. The primary use of present perfect continuous is to describe an action that started in the past and is still happening right now. The key idea here is that the action began at some point before now and has not finished. For example, if you say, "I have been studying English for 2 years," you mean you started studying 2 years ago and you are still studying now. Similarly, if someone says she has been living in this city since 2020, it means she moved there in 2020 and is still living there today. Another important use is to show that an action recently stopped, but you can still see the effects or results in the present. The focus is on the result that exists now because of that recent action. For instance, if you say, "I have been working out and I am tired," the action of working out just finished, but the result of being tired is visible right now. Another example: if it has been raining and the ground is wet, the rain stopped recently, but the wet ground shows the result of that rain. The third important use is to emphasize how long an action has been happening. The focus is on the length of time, not just the action itself. When you use present perfect continuous with for or since, you are answering the question how long. For example, "We have been waiting for 3 hours" tells us the duration is 3 hours. "We have been talking since 10 a.m." tells us when the action started. The time expression is very important when emphasizing duration. Present perfect continuous can also express actions that happen repeatedly or habitually during a time period from the past until now. This use shows that the action occurs multiple times, not just once. For example, "She has been going to the gym every day this week" means that throughout this week, she has gone to the gym many times, and this pattern continues. Another example: "They have been calling me all morning" means that during the morning hours, they have called many times. It is important to understand the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Present perfect focuses on the completed action or the result, and it emphasizes what was done or how many times. You use it when the action is finished and the result matters. Present perfect continuous focuses on the ongoing action and the duration, emphasizing how long the action has been happening and whether it is still continuing. Both use have or has, but the difference is in what we emphasize: completion and result, or duration and continuation. Let us look at some real examples of present perfect continuous in positive statements. "I have been running for an hour" means I started running 1 hour ago and I am still running now. "He has been studying since morning" means he started studying in the morning and is still studying. "She has been playing piano for 2 hours" means she started 2 hours ago and the playing has continued for that whole period. "They have been working on this project all week" means throughout the entire week. They have been continuously working on it. Now let us see how to form questions and negative statements. For questions, "Have you been waiting long" is asking about the duration of waiting. "How long has she been working there" is asking for a specific time period. For negatives, "I have not been sleeping well" means sleep quality has not been good for a period of time. "They have not been talking since morning" means there has been no conversation since the morning started. Notice how the basic structure stays the same. We just add not or move have to the beginning for questions. Certain time expressions naturally pair with present perfect continuous. Expressions with for include for 2 hours, for 3 days, for years, or for a long time. These show how long. Expressions with since include since morning, since 2020, since last week, or since I arrived. These show when it started. Duration indicators like all day, all week, all morning, or this month emphasize the ongoing nature. Question patterns like how long have you, for how long, and since when help us ask about these situations. Here are the 4 most important points to remember about present perfect continuous. First, duration matters. Focus on how long the action has been happening, not just whether it is completed. Second, the action is still happening now. It started in the past and continues into the present moment. Third, use for and since. These time expressions are your guides for identifying when to use this tense. Fourth, compare with present perfect. Present perfect continuous emphasizes duration and ongoing nature, while present perfect emphasizes completion and result. Master these 4 points, and you will use this tense correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.